Glad everybody showed up. Get this show on the road. We're going to sling a little mud, get some money out, try to get a bigger name next year.
Okay, what's the rules for the bounty house?
Rules is no pushing off, no walking the bike. You can reverse as many times you want. 5-minute rule. That's it. Just go.
Okay, what y'all going by, distance or time?
It'll be whoever makes it out, the fastest, will go off time. If nobody makes it out, be distance. We're gonna draw tips, we'll draw numbers to run, so that way nobody say nothing about running order. Just let them have fun, let it eat.
What's the pot looking like?
I think it's $6.50 for first, something like that. We might split it up. We're gonna pay it first and second maybe. Because that's supposed to be 3 classes, so I'm gonna see if we can take that money and throw it in on the other side.
What's the class? Can you break them down real quick?
Small tire, which is 35 below, and the big tire is 35 and up. Pretty much portals, 37, 40s, whatever you have. Big tire is going to be pretty much like an outlaw class. There's 2 bikes in that.
Okay. Anything like, can anybody run it with nitrous or?
I don't know if anybody actually has nitrous. But it'd be in the big tire class. You had to put in big tire class, run nitrous.
Got it.
See how it goes. I think you by yourself. That's my small tire right here. Hey, shut up. 4, you. Go over there. Second run. 4. That's what we're about to do. Look, Terry should just grab that another thing. That was one that was going the wrong way. Here, grab it again. This will be our second run. 5 and 6. Got the second one yet? One. Second run. What it is? 5 and 6.
Oh, I'm sorry.
5 and 6.
Can you do 3, 4? What'd you draw? 6? Same order. Same order. Are you gonna run? There you go. Oh yeah. What number you want? You want second or third? Or you want,
I'm last.
you want to run last every time?
Yep.
Okay. He's fourth.
Small top.
Okay.
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
You get a feel for it, bro.
No, I know. I got to.
Okay. I'm gonna get the time.
Is his pipe on in the water? Is his pipe on in the water before he crank it up? That's why I won't crank it. Oh, my bad, my bad.
Down that way. That way, so all right.
Gonna go all the way with that.
And make some noise, make some noise. They was fighting that motherfucker. And then we got Vito. He won first place in the big tie ATV Ho Bounty Hole. I'm on smile time. Second place who did? She gonna pay out. BA don't play no game. They gonna make sure everybody taken care of.
I'll give you $200.
They gonna make sure everybody took care of. Shout out, cause them boys was back there fighting the shit out that Bounty Hole, man. We were pulling them out, and they was going right back in that motherfucker. They say, I ain't done yet. Hey, shout out to them, man. You gotta be a real rider to fight that shit for real. Hey, we got DJ K. The Bounty Hole small time for Sarah. Hey, she got her ass in that motherfucker, and she tried to fight till she couldn't fight no more. And she did her thing. We gonna show us some love. Hey, shout out to Sarah and this motherfucker. Let's go.
Ooh, Jake Smooth Production. I like.